At the Helm is an adults-only 9-room boutique hotel located in the port of Ilwaco, Washington. The owner, Marcine Miller, did much of the remodel herself and named the rooms after fishing boats she and her husband have owned. Because it's situated directly on the marina, the ship-themed aesthetic seems perfectly appropriate. Each room has a different name, and I got to stay in the best one, the Tradition. This 450 square foot room offers a view of the marina, a separate seating area, heated floors, a fireplace, and a gorgeous bathroom complete with Nest toiletries. I appreciate that the toiletries were full-size with pumps, making it eco-friendly in addition to a water filter with a spout next to the Nespresso coffee maker. This allows you to fill up a glass or your reusable water bottle. I only got to enjoy a breakfast and a lunch at the hotel, but they offer all 3 meals in their dining area, and there was always a group dining and enjoying a drink at any given moment. If you're visiting Washington's Long Beach Peninsula and want to stay in a quiet, beautiful location, I highly recommend giving At the Helm a try.